Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Deep Research, updated. Open Gemini, sign in, and create a new research project to collect sources and notes. Start by setting a clear research question and choosing relevant topics or prompts. Use folders and tags to keep findings organized and searchable. Add annotations to sources and record brief summaries to capture key insights and next steps for deeper exploration. Craft concise prompts that include keywords, sources, and desired formats to get focused results from Gemini. Use built-in filters for date ranges, domains, and content types to reduce noise and surface stronger evidence. Review top results, then expand with related queries or follow-up prompts to explore gaps. Keep a list of reliable sources and saved searches to speed future projects and maintain consistent research quality across topics. Quick recommendation: bring better sound and hands-free control to your research setup with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which makes playing audio notes and timers effortless. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful guides. I pop in music and timers while I research, and the Echo Dot keeps my workflow flowing. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. As you gather information, annotate each source with a short summary, key quotes, and relevance tags so you can find them later. Verify important claims by cross-checking with independent sources and prioritize primary data when available. Use export features to create shareable reports or citation lists for your work. Regularly clean up duplicates and merge related notes to keep your project streamlined and ready for writing or presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.